This video is about converting 40Write documents to 40Write Pro. There are two main paths for conversion, both of which depend on where the 40Write documents are currently stored. You may have 40Write documents stored on disk or 40Write documents stored in the data file. Each of these have their own way of converting. In both conversion paths, the 40Write document must be in version 7 format in order to be recognized by 40Write Pro. If you have older 40Write documents, they must be converted to version 7 first. The process of updating 40Write version 6 documents to version 7 should be done using the latest version of 40Write. First, open the 40Write v6 document using the wropen document command. For this, we use an off-screen area. Then, save the 40Write version 7 document using the wrsave document command, specifying for wr7 format. The document on disk will be saved in version 7 format. Step 1 is done. Now that you have a 40Write version 7 document, you can convert it to 40Write Pro. It is best to use the latest version of 4D, such as version 15R5 or more preferably version 16. To perform the conversion, open the 40Write v7 document using the wp import document command. This returns a 40 object containing the 40Write Pro document. Now, save the 40Write Pro document object using the wp export document command. This completes the section for documents stored on disk. Now, for documents stored in the data file. 40Write Pro uses an object field for storage. If you plan to store the new 40Write Pro document in the data file, you should add a new object field to the table. Do not just change the old 40Write field type because that will not have the desired effect. You need to add a new field. 40Write Pro can only import documents stored as a blob. So, if you have documents stored in a picture field, you will need to convert them to blob first. Do not just change the field type from picture to blob because that will not have the desired effect. Instead, you should use 40Write commands to convert the picture to blob. The process of converting a 40Write picture field to a 40Write blob will resave the document, which, in effect, also updates any 40Write version 6 documents to version 7. This should be carried out using the latest version of 40Write and 4D. First, open the 40Write picture field using wrpicture to area. Then, save the 40Write document as a blob using the wrarea to blob command. Then, convert that blob to Write Pro using wp-new. The process of converting a 40Write blob to 40Write Pro is super simple when the 40Write document is in version 7 format. It is literally one line of code. This should be carried out using the latest version of 4D, version 15R5 or v16. The 40Write blob is converted using the wp-new command. The command takes in a 40Write blob and returns a 40Write Pro object. This concludes the video on converting to 40Write Pro.